Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make use of the Facebook nearby friends. Okay, what Facebook nearby friend does is it actually filters and checks your location and try to views the person that is closest to you and try to recommend the person and sets it close to you so you can easily chat with the person like you do in a normal Facebook Messenger. But the difference in this one is it shows you people that are very close to your current location and it displays their own location for them. But the only spoiler of this video is that if the person doesn't turn up his own location, you won't be able to know if the person is nearby. So you can easily chat the person up or request for a meetup. But it's always good you turn this particular feature on if you want your friends to be close by. And then I'm still going to show you guys how to turn this on for your close friend or for some specific kind of people in your friends group so that you won't end up turning this on for the wrong people and maybe like other people stalling you or stalking you. All right. In order to do this, go ahead and open your Facebook application, and next go ahead and click on the menu icon just on the top right hand corner. And most times on some Android device it can display on the bottom hand corner. Just go ahead and click on this particular option and then scroll to this particular area that says nearby friends. But for some people that can't find their own here, just go ahead and click on this see more features, and within this see more features you are going to see it actually, you're going to see it written nearby friends. So go ahead and back out because my own is here, so I'm going to click it. But if your own is around the see more, go ahead and click on that and open it up. So once you open it up like this, all you need to do is to click on the get started icon. So you can see below there are other people making use of this. So this is actually an interesting feature for you if you have more people using this. Okay, go ahead and click on getting started. Now you see it displays a set of people which you want to turn this particular feature on for. When you click on this friends option, you can see it gives you privilege to select the kind of people you want it turned on for, and you can click on see more feature to see other features that are also included in this. But for some reason we are going to say specific friend. Click on specific friend and then go ahead and select the specific kind of people you want. Just select the name of people you know and make sure they are all trusted friend, so you won't end up making use of this application with the wrong people. So you guys should be careful in making use of this application in order to avoid some privacy breach so that people won't be stalking on you. So I'm going to turn this on for specific account profile that I know, and I'll leave it off for the rest of the people. And for tutorial base, I'm going to do the rest later on. So I'm just going to back out. Once you back out, it saves automatically. Now you can notice I only turned this on for only 5 people. So but for some reason, whenever you want, you can always click on this option to add more people. So I can always search through the list and say, okay, I already added this person. Let me say club along. You can click and see more people. So just go ahead and type more name and to add more people. So once you're done, just back out. But if for some reason you want to read more about the nearby friend, you can always click on to read more to know more about it. And then if you read on the option above, it says your friends on nearby who also share their location with you will see your approximate location. You can remove some friends or specify friends to use the nearby friends with. So it's very simple. You can remove, add, or do an exception of who sees your particular post. If you want some people not to see it, go ahead and select this option and click on the name of the people who you don't want to see it. So when you back out, it accepts only those kind of people you selected. But for some reason, I prefer this particular option. And if for some reason you want all your friends on Facebook to see it, you can select this option. But I really don't want that for some security reason, I'm just going to make sure I select this particular one that says specify friends or specific friends. So once you're done, just back out. Now you can notice it's actually telling me it wants to turn on this particular sharing of location for this particular device. So I'm going to go ahead and click on turn on. So once you click on turn on, it turns it on. It shows you the allocation, it shows you the kilometer, and it shows you the hours which the distance which they are from you. Now you can notice this person is just 1 kilometer away from me, which is not very far. And if you notice this other person which is um at Auchi is its location is at 330 kilometer away from me, and it only takes 4 hours to get to the person. So now this person is elsewhere. If you notice, it says elsewhere and it shows the person's location. This person is not currently close to my own location, but these people on top of this area that says nearby, they are actually very close to me, so I can easily wave at them, start a conversation or whatever it is. And since they are nearby, I can always chat them and tell them that we should hook up or whatever. So the people that shows on top on the area that is categorized nearby are actually the people that are very close to you and very near to you. And the one that says elsewhere means it's very far from you. And you can look below and see how many kilometer the person is away from you. And if you don't know how to calculate kilometer, you can go over to Google and do some calculation yourself and to get how to calculate the kilometer. But all in all, if you want to chat with your friends, you can go ahead and click on this particular icon and then start up a messenger and have a conversation with your friend that is very close to you. So hopefully this video helped you guys. This is just how to get to your friends that are nearby, chat with them, get a meetup and do some other cool stuff with them. So there is no other way about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and a comment below if you have a question, and I'll always be ready to answer them, whatever the question is. Or if you're having any challenges doing this, leave it on a comment below. Or if you have a question about the kind of content I create, just leave it at the comment below. I'm going to get back to it. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and make sure you like the video. Smash that like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys soon. All right, happy new month. Safe.